Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. I am Kashif Iqbal. I am currently associated with Y Engineering College, University of Awas since last 5 years. I have done my graduation from Comsats University, Islamabad, and I am currently working here as a lecturer.
My name is Ayla Savda and I am serving here in Y Engineering College, University of Wa for the last 5 years. And I'm serving here as a lecturer. So please continue.
First of all, I would like to tell you about the University of Wa. It is situated in the Wa Kent, and it is one of the very good opportunity for the students to enroll here. Now, let me tell you about the University of Wa. It is ranked 9th by the Times Higher Education among all Pakistani universities. And it is also ranked as number 7 in the Punjab. So it is very good opportunity if you are going to be part of the University of Wa. A brief introduction about the University of Wa. It has 10 directorates. Over 5,000 students are here. More than 1,000 students graduate every year. If we talk about the faculty members, we have more than 350 faculty members, including 60 PhD approximately. It is one of the fastest growing universities in the Pakistan, and all programs of the University of Wa are accredited by the relevant accredited bodies or councils. University of Wa has two constituent colleges. One is Wa Engineering College and another is Mashal Degree College. If we talk about Wa Engineering College, all engineering programs are taught here. The Wa Engineering College is approved by the HEC. It is regularly accredited by the program councils like P.Sc, Pakistan Engineering Councils. We have technology programs. NTC is the governing body that is accrediting them. And for B.S. Software Engineering Program, NCEAC, National Computing Council. And we are successfully implementing OBE system since 2017. Why Wa Engineering College? क्यों Wa Engineering College को join करना चाहिए? Wa Engineering College was established in 2005 and it was chartered by or recognized by Higher Education Commission. It is located in the Wa, which has the highest literacy rate in all the Pakistan, which is 100%. It is also certified by ISO 9001-2015. If we talk about Wa Engineering College, it has 5 departments: Department of Civil Engineering, Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, and Department of Chemical Engineering. And all these departments are giving us 9 undergraduate programs, which are Electrical Engineering, B.Sc, Civil Engineering, B.Sc, Mechanical Engineering, B.Sc, Mechatronics Engineering, and B.Sc, Chemical Engineering, along with the 3 technological programs, B.Sc Electrical Engineering Technology, B.Sc Chemical Engineering Technology, and B.Sc Mechanical Engineering Technology, and one other undergraduate program which is newly launched from fall 2022, that is Software Engineering, B.S. Software Engineering. And also we have 9 graduate programs in which we are offering MS and PhD programs for B.S. Electrical Engineering, B.S. Construction Management, Civil Engineering, MS Electrical Engineering, and PhD Electrical Engineering. If we talk about why electrical engineering or why engineering to be a profession to be chosen by everyone, अगर हम बात करें कि हमें engineering क्यों choose करनी है, तो it's a very creating profession. जब भी हम बात करते हैं engineering की, तो जितनी creativity है वो सारी की सारी हमारी electrical engineering या engineering में के अंदर आती है. Engineering के अंदर जितनी भी skills हैं that are transferable skills, you can transfer them. Engineers are very high in demand for future perspectives, and you can also get very attractive salary for your skills in future. If we talk about Department of Electrical Engineering, Department of Electrical Engineering is offering 3 undergraduate programs. One is B.Sc Electrical Engineering, the other one is B.S. Software Engineering, and third one is the B.Sc Electrical Engineering Technology. All 3 are undergraduate programs. And further, if we talk about graduate programs, the Department of Electrical Engineering is offering 2 graduate programs, Masters in Electrical Engineering and PhD in Electrical Engineering. Nowadays, our admission are open. You can come on first basis. We are offering admissions to all these programs. We also are going to hire some graduate assistants who can be work here as a graduate assistant, and there are certain benefits for being a graduate assistant that will be displayed later. If we talk about electrical engineering, why among engineering, electrical engineering is good. So the future perspective, or the you can say it's very forefront of the practical technology. If we talk about any practical technology, then electrical come in our mind. Electrical engineers can work in research and development industries, engineering services, firms, manufacturing, governments, and technological aspects. Electrical engineering is at the forefront of the developing new technologies for a number of industries. If we talk about the number of industries, we have transportational industries, we have healthcare industries, construction managements, robotics, and many others. Nowadays, electrical engineering is linked with machine learning and computer engineering as well. If we talk about why we prefer electrical engineering department at Wa Engineering College, it is one of the basic department in the Wa Engineering College. It was started in 2004 and chartered in 2009. Five batches of electronics engineering. Initially, we were offering only electronics engineering, and five batches from 2004 to 2008 were graduated in B.Sc electronic engineering. After that, we have offered the main degree, which is B.Sc electrical engineering, and 10 graduates, mashallah, so far have been graduated till 2021 and 22. And we are offering three specializations in B.Sc electrical engineering. One is communication, one is electronics, and third one is the power. We are offering a specialization in all three aspects. Our all batches are accredited from Pakistan Engineering Council. Our all batches from 2004 to 2015 are accredited under level 1. And after that, from 2016 to onward 2018, our all batches are accredited at level 2. It means that all our graduated batches have a PC recognized degree. Everyone has the concerns that the department is recognized with Pakistan Engineering Council or not. It is very clear that our every batch and every program is accredited by Pakistan Engineering Council, NTC, and NSEC. Nowadays, if we talk about admissions, admissions are open. As I have told you earlier, that our admissions are open. And if we talk about the entry test, we have two entry test phases. Phase 1 entry test was already conducted on 13th August 2022 and 28 August 2022. In the phase 2, it is coming in the September. This first entry test of phase 2 will be on 11th September, and second test will be on 25th September. But it is subject to the availability of seats. As I've told you earlier, that all seats are offered on first come first basis. If you have to apply for the admissions, you have to either go to the vecuw.edu.pk or uow.edu.pk, and also you can go to admissions.uow.edu.pk. The As discussed earlier, our university is chartered by ISO 9001 2015 certified. We have OB level 2 accreditation by PEC, HEC and PEC recognized university hai. Globally recognized OB system for engineering. If we talk about OB system, we have successfully implemented Alhamdulillah OB level 2, and there are numerous benefits of getting OB level 2 degree. One of the major benefits is that your degree is recognized throughout the world. You do not need any test or any criterion to be followed throughout the world. Also, there are certain countries which are offering work visa on the basis of just level 2 degree. For example, Australia has opened 487 category visa for the students who are having level 2 degree. There are numerous scholarships we are offering for the students. We are offering scholarships, and fee concessions are also available. Financial assistance are also available. Qarz Hasna scheme is also available. Teaching assistantships, as I told you earlier, that we are offering graduate assistantships for undergraduate who are the students, for the students who are graduated and are going to be for postgraduate studies, they can also avail that teaching assistantship. Another new program we have started under the umbrella of electrical engineering, that is BS software engineering. Our zero visit is successfully conducted by ANSEC, that is the governing body or accredited body of the Computing Council for offering BS software engineering. And if we talk about the eligibility criteria for software engineering, we have 50% marks in FSC or intermediate or equivalent that are necessary, followed by the if you are a pre-medical student, you can also apply for the BS software engineering, but you have to additionally study 2 courses for 6 credit hours in the first 2 semesters. Also, scholarships are also available for software engineering program, and our admission is started from 1st August until 25 September. Our admission is open. You can enroll anytime. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, you can ask us through Facebook live session, through comments. We can respond to your queries at any time. We are here. If we are unable to respond at this spontaneously, then we will respond you back after a while. So, gentlemen, everyone who is listening, please, if you have any queries, you can comment on the Facebook live session. We are here to listen you. We are also offering free education to the children of industrial workers who are working in a private environment, because there are some needy students who want to study, but due to some financial circumstances, they are unable to study further, and they do small jobs or labor, but we prefer them to come here and work with us and be a part of one engineering college at electrical engineering department. We are offering complete free education, including boarding and books. Each and everything is covered in that free education for the children of industrial workers. We also have merit scholarships. If we talk about merit scholarships, we also have merit scholarships who are having high achievers or getting very good GPA can avail certain fee waiver in their tuition fee, or even they can get 100% tuition fee waiver during their academic stay here at one engineering college, University of Wa. We are offering even 100% tuition fee waiver for the high achievers who are getting 3.75 or above CGPA. If we talk about the accreditation history of our programs, our B.Sc Electronics Engineering, which was offered from 2004 to 2008, these are accredited by the governing body PEC, Pakistan Engineering Council, at level 1. After that, since 2009 to 2015, our all programs are accredited by Pakistan Engineering Council at level 1, and there you can say the meeting numbers are available: 67, 70, 83, 93, and etc. Since 2016, our 3 batches are graduated at level 2 from PEC, Pakistan Engineering Council. If we talk about the salient features of electrical engineering department or B.Sc electrical engineering department, I would say that we have a very high qualified faculty. We have PhD doctors available, highly experienced assistant professors, full professors are available who have various experience at national level and at international level. We have high-tech laboratories. We have HEC approved. We are following HEC approved curriculum. We have implemented OB system, outcome based education system, that is based on 12 PLOs, which are for example, engineering knowledge, problem implementation, design and development, and there are many others. So if we talk about OB implementation system, we have successfully implemented since 2017 completely. We are collaborating with the industries at national and international level. As last year, we have certain projects from AWC, like I guess, ma'am, 4 projects are supervised by AWC. We also are getting research-oriented graduate programs. Our final year design projects are funded by certain bodies. As for example, for the batch of 2017, we are we got funding of 9 projects out of 16 projects, and most of them got funding nearly 0.05 million. We are focusing towards industry academia linkage. Our FYDPs, are final year design projects, are always linked with the industries, any of the industry. So it is better to be a part of electrical engineering department. If we talk about the overview of one engineering college, it is a very lush green environment. And if we talk about the mission of the electrical engineering department is build a strong foundation in the field of electrical engineering in congenial and professional learning environment, with focus on developing the required competencies to groom the students to face the challenges of current and future technological advancements, commensurate with the social ethical values of the society. If we talk about the academic counseling for the available for the students, we have a mentor system or tutor system. Our every batch is having a one tutor dedicated for them for solving their academic problems, either related to fee issues, their class issues, their any activities timetable issues, or they have to apply for fee concession, any issue. Their mentor is available with them every time. As for the batch of 2021, I myself is a tutor for them. For batch 29, my colleague Miss Ayla Safdar is tutor for them, and Mr. Salman Ahmad for batch 2018, and Mr. Naveed Anwar for batch 2020. Is there anything else, ma'am, regarding academic counseling?
In the next slide, most probably. Yeah, career placement.
We have career placements for the students available. Opportunity, it is an opportunity for the students basically under the Directorate of Student Affairs and the ARIC directorates. They are advising them about the students for career counseling, international collaborations, job placements, psychological counseling, problem and behavior of students, and student teacher relation. These two directorates are always there to counsel the students uh, along with the tutor. If we talk about the internship, as we have discussed earlier, that our every final year design project is linked with the industry, and we also try to link with the industry and provide hands-on experience to the students. And we have linked Pakistan Ordnance Factory in this regard and other industries. For year 2022, we have offered 39 internships to the students of 6th semester and 8th semester, out of which 35 were offered by Pakistan Ordnance Factories, 2 were offered by DHA, and 2 were offered by WAPDA. We are also focusing towards the hands-on and physical experience of the students throughout their academic stay in the WA Engineering College. For example, we took students for the industrial visits or academic visits to the industries. We took students and we went to the PUF's mechanical ME shop, National Institute of Electronics. Our frequent visits goes to the Ghazi Barota Dam. As since last 5 to 6 years, we are offering specialization in the power. So Ghazi Barota and our Tarbela, our PF powerhouse, is one of the most important industries to be visited there. Micro hydel power generation is also there. Van Noble, PF Grid Godwal, National Transmission and Dispatch Company, Heavy Electrical Complex, Bestway Cement, Factor Cement, Chitral, and many other. Also, we took students to show the hybrid and grid-tied solar system that are installed by the Department of Electrical Engineering with the collaboration of the industry, that are installed over the UW and Y Engineering College. So student also gets hand-on experience or look at the physical environment, how they work and how to install the solar system and what are the benefits and the outcomes of the solar system. So UW is one of the good place to be visited. If we talk about MS graduate assistantship, we have graduate assistantship programs for the students who are graduated already, that can perform higher education, that can took admission in our MS program. If they are hired for graduate assistantship, then there are numerous benefits for them. We are offering 15,000 per month stipend, a complete tuition fee waiver, teaching experience that will be add on, enhancement of their qualification, that is another aspect of graduate assistantship, and only 12 contact hours that GA has to serve one engineering college for a lab load per week. We are also have career professional development here. We are offering certain CPD activities. We are we ask for um, you can say the resource person from other universities that are very high quality qualified, and they deliver some lectures to the students and the faculty as well. So here is the schedule that for 2022 we are offering 4 CPD lectures: non-orthogonal multiple access, practical implementation of high power DC motors, high frequency modeling of power transformer under transients, future technologies. In 2021, we have offered introduction to electrical vehicles, dielectric and electrical properties of the insulation of transformers, and introduction to smart cities. Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
As for the eligibility criteria, sir has already told in the previous slides, but I will go again through the eligibility criteria for B.Sc Electrical Engineering. The students who are have done with your FSc pre-engineering or equivalent with the at least 60% marks can apply in the B.Sc Electrical Engineering, or DA with first division can also apply. The merit for the B.Sc Electrical Engineering will be calculated on the basis of 50% weightage to the FSc marks and 50% weightage to the entry test, which will be conducted either in the Engineering College, or we can also entertain the students who have given the UAT entry test, and we can easily allow them to take admission in B.Sc Electrical Engineering. Similarly, for the B.Sc Electrical Engineering Technology program, we have the minimum criteria, minimum threshold is 50% marks in FSc pre-engineering or DAE with a first division. Again, the merit is calculated for the B.Sc Electrical Engineering Technology program on the basis of 50% marks of the FSc or their DAE marks, or 50% to the entry test. And we can also entertain the UAT entry test results, which are accepted whoever gave us.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. There is a question that electrical department have updated their syllabus or not.
Yes, the syllabus of the electrical engineering department is regularly updated based on the comments or the feedback from the students and the faculty members, and our curriculum is accredited by the academic council at the end. And for the third program, which is recently offered and is launching in 2022, it is B.Sc Software Engineering. In that, we have 50% marks in the intermediate exam, which is FSc, or you can have also the 50% if you have given the pre-medical, then you have to study at least 6 credit hours in your first semester, and you can easily take admission in BS Software Engineering. As for the library resources, you can see that Engineering College have a vast variety of books from which the students can gain information. There are books in the VEC library, which is 6,410 titles are available, which is a vast number of books. And then we have gifted books, 682 books, and a total books of 19,000 plus. Okay? Then in order to facilitate the students, we have soft books in the digital library, which is 5,547 count. And then in order to facilitate the research students, we have international journal research journals. In hard copy, we have 12 titles, and in the quantity, we have 15 by the frequency. Similarly, we also have local research journals, which are 4 titles, and by frequency, they are 4. Similarly, in order to entertain the students, we have newspapers, which are daily, which come on the daily basis. In the last, we have the digital library, Electrical engineering department books, we have 26 titles, book bank to facilitate the students, and they can issue these books at the start of the semester in their regular semester courses. And then in order to facilitate we have 1,696 titles and 5,227 books. Also, we have 930 books in the soft form. In UW library basically is a very healthy environment, peaceful environment, spacious environment for the students to study in their free time. You can see we have libraries available in UW and WEC, both campuses. We have the UW publications. Our journal UW GST is aggregated as Y category. So we have different for the management sciences, for the computer sciences, we have a lot of UW publications as well. As I have told that in order to facilitate the research students, we have in order to do the final year projects or their master thesis or PhD thesis, and they have access to different journals. We have 6 IEEE journals which are named as that, and we have the frequency which they are publishing and are available to the students. Like we have IEEE transaction on energy conversion, IEEE transaction on power delivery, IEEE transaction of power system, on industrial electronics, industrial applications, and power electronics. So we have 6 journals for the electrical engineering students. And similarly, we have 5 for the software engineering students. We have IEEE transactions on software engineering, on computers, on visualization and computer graphics. We have IEEE software and IEEE computational intelligence. So you can see we have a lot of variety of the journals, and students can easily access them and can enhance their knowledge and improve their research work. As for besides the journals category, we have also our digital library. We have Informs, Taylor and Francis journals, Wiley Blackwell journals, ASTM. So you can also gain your information from these like digital library as well. As for the other library sources, other than the WA Engineering College library, we have Central Library, University of WA, where we have 13,000 books, and you can easily increase your knowledge by coming in University of WA. Then we have PF Central Library with 50,000 books, and PF Technical Library, 11,000 books. As for the lecture rooms, there are 3 lecture rooms for the electrical engineering department. We have LR1, LR5, which has a capacity of around 40 to 60 students, and they have both the video projection equipment installed. And one is R1, in which we have a capacity of 40 to 50 students, and the video projection equipment can be provided on the request. We have different laboratories in which the students can enhance their skills, which is in outcome-based education, the psychomotor domain. We have computer lab with a highly recently installed, upgraded computers to help the students. We have communication lab, electrical machine lab. Then we have digital electronics lab, in which you can perform the digital logic design and microprocessing interfacing labs. Then you have electronics lab, and we have instrumentation and control lab, power system lab too. We have specially designed trainers in order to facilitate the students. In order to work on their final year project, we have project lab. Then in order to facilitate more the students, we have general purpose computing lab, in which is open for the students from all the time from 8 to 4 p.m., in which the students can do their assignments, quizzes, or whatever they want to study over there. Then we have PCB setup lab also. These are the images from the lab. This is an electrical machine lab, in which you can see the recently installed apparatus, updated apparatus. Then this is a power system lab, then instrumentation lab. This is again an electrical machine lab, in which the students are performing the experiment. This is our upgraded computer lab. This is a project lab, in which the students of final year project, design project, can do their work and submit the project over here. Then we have again the labs, communication lab. You can see that students have vast variety of apparatus, and they can easily perform the experiments. This is a digital electronics lab in which you can perform the experiments of microprocessor interfacing. There are Arduinos and other microcontrollers available to you. This is a communication lab, again electrical machine lab. You can see all the apparatus is highly updated and so on. Now, for the facilities for the students, why they should come in Y Engineering College and why should they join electrical engineering department, you can see there are multiple facilities for the students. We have fully furnished hostels, which is a very plus point, one boys hostel and one girls hostel. You can easily avail the opportunity. And then we have transport facility for all the students and the faculty from VAR, Rawalpindi, Hassan Abdal, Attak and Islamabad. They can avail them. Then in order to facilitate the students, we have internet facility as well. You can see we have 200 megabits per second of internet connectivity. 9 hotspots are available throughout the campus. High speed lane throughout the campus. Wi-Fi facility is available in the library and also in the faculty offices. Then in order to facilitate the faculty and the students, we have given the domain email addresses which are also available. Then as for the sports facility, indoor and outdoor, we have 2 table tennis courts, then 1 basketball, 1 badminton court, 1 volleyball court, and 1 cricket and football. You can also access the other than these facilities, you can avail POFs and UW Kite campus, swimming pool, table tennis, basketball, whichever you like, you can also avail these facilities as well. As for the scholarship and fee concession, Sir Kashif has already told you about various scholarships available: merit scholarship, needs-based scholarship, kinship-based scholarships. Similarly, for the employees of PF, you can also avail them. Then you can, currently 15 of these WE students are availing these scholarships. Then we have newly launched free education to the children of the industrial workers, which is a very good opportunity for all the students to avail this opportunity for a free education, complete free education. We have 2 cafeteria for the students. As far as the medical facility, PF Hospital is entitled to facilitate the students, faculty and staff. Then in order to, again, you can have e-banking and ATM facility as well. There are halls and venues which you can see that we have seminar hall, exam hall with a capacity of 450. You have UW auditorium 750. So many functions can be are conducted every year. Then for the facilities, we have radio station, FM 101, we have the prayer room, resource station. So these are so many facilities for the students, and they must join Y Engineering College and Electrical Engineering Department. These are the some few pictures I will share with you of the UW hostels. You can see we have a girls hostel with a capacity of 150 students and 9 faculty members. Boys hostel, 303 capacity for the students and 12 for the faculty. And these are the images of the boys hostel and similarly girls hostel. As for the transport facility, students, staff are variously commuted from the VAR, Rawalpindi, Hassan Abdal, Kamra, Attak, and Islamabad, and they have these transports facility as well.
As far as the solar system, I have discussed with you earlier that we have installed solar system with the help of faculty of electrical engineering department. We have installed various solar systems at UW and Y Engineering College. So up till now, we have installed 360 kilowatt solar systems in the premises of UW and Y Engineering College. For example, we have installed one solar system at UW Block C and D, which have capacity of 80 kilowatts, and they are generating monthly on average generation of 8,800 kilowatts. And these are installed in 2017, and till now they have recovered their original cost, and now they are giving us additional benefits. Similarly, we have installed a 10 kilowatt solar system on the VC Secretariat, and UW Block E and F, we have also installed the solar systems. We have installed up to 25 kilowatt solar system at the top of UW Girls Hostel to facilitate or to cope with the requirements of electricity, as nowadays our country is lagging with the electricity supply. So we are going to producing electricity for us, and electricity we are returning to the WAPDA. In recently, WA Engineering College have installed 85 kilowatts of solar system on the top of WA Engineering College, which are generating 9,350 kilowatt hours per month, and it is installed in 2020, and over about a 1 or 2 month original cost will be recovered. Here are some pictures, UW grid-tied solar system plants which are installed in the UW. You can see the PV panels by Jinko Solar China. We have installed the PV panels by the company Jinko Solar China, and every panel, as it was installed in 2017, then only 320 or 335 panels were available. Now we are going to focus on up to 600 kilowatts or 750 watt solar panels are available for the grid tides. Here are some inverters shown in the pictures. The bidirectional energy meter, the green meter, which is basically installed for the reverse metering. You have heard many about reverse metering. This is the green meter which is installed by the WAPDA for the purpose of reverse metering. You have to, if you have installed solar hybrid system, then you can utilize the energy. Otherwise, if you are have installed only a grid tie system, then you can just return the electricity generated by the solar to the WAPDA. Here are some very good pictures of block B, block A, and block C of the UW. You can see there are numerous solar panels installed at the top of the blocks. Here are some other 40 kilowatt solar plant at UW block A. We have several blocks at the University of WA. This is the solar panel installed on the UW Girls Hostel. It has the capacity of 25 kilowatt. This is whole overview or greater picture of the WA Engineering College. You can see we have utilized all the buildings for generating electricity from solars. As nowadays you can know that these are the green energy resources. They are without emissions. So our focus is for green energy and to give students a green and pure environment for their academic sports. So we have installed solar panels at the top of WA Engineering College at about it. They are generating 85 kilowatt capacity. So there are some other facilities or infrastructure that are added since our last PEC visit. You know that PEC is the governing body. If they give us some suggestions or opportunity for improvement, then we have to follow these instructions. And after the last PEC visit, you can say we have upgraded our general purpose computing lab. We have recently, about 1 month or 2 months ago, we have upgraded all CPUs of the general purpose computing lab. We have installed or upgraded new digital communication system trainers. Previously we have only analog trainers, and then we have upgraded towards trainers who can give analog and digital communications. We have also purchased some Raspberry Pi kits for the students so that they can perform some semester projects as well as their final year design projects on them. We have increased Wi-Fi internet facility to the students and faculty. We have installed additional Wi-Fi routers for the faculty and the students. Now they are giving coverage throughout the campus everywhere. Research proposals is one of the another aspect that as we have discussed, that we have very qualified faculty. So research proposals having the cost of in millions, or you can say multi-millions, these are evaluated by our faculty members. Recently, Dr. Amir, Dr. Sahera, myself, and other faculty members have evaluated some research proposals given by the HEC. Also, we have submitted some research proposals in collaboration with the students and the industries and our faculty members. We have submitted different proposals like NRPU, NCGSA, Ignite funding, challenge. It was Ignite Challenge Driven Innovation Fund. Recently, we have submitted their two proposals and three recent proposals that are submitted to Pakistan Science Foundation Competitive Research Program. Also, we can have we are focused towards the health and safety of the students. So we have complete EHS policy, environmental health policy, and safety policy. We have installed fire extinguisher in every lab. We have first aid kit box for the safety of the students. We have the safety breakers. We have ground potentials, and each and everything is for the students, for the protection of the students and for the faculty members.
As for the admission schedule, as we have discussed in detail, that we have the admissions open during the summers, July to September. We have our admission schedule. We have conducted the entry test twice in August, and we have two tests coming in September, one on 11th and the other one is on 25th September. So students can still avail this opportunity to apply in electrical engineering department and come and visit us. For the information, you can easily apply on the admissions universityofwa.edu.pk. As for the admission schedule, this is the admission schedule for the year 21-22. You can see that up till now, we have covered the merit list of 29th August. Now the advertisement, which will be coming in our newspapers, will be on 11th September, which is Sunday. And also we have an undergrad entry test at University of Engineering College on 11th September. So students can definitely apply for the electrical engineering department, electrical engineering, and they can come and give the entry test on the 11th September. Then further, we have also a graduate entry test for the MS and PhD students which will be conducting on 12th September. Then the merit list will be displayed as per the policy I have already discussed with you in detail. And the closing date of the admissions is 23rd September. So you can have the time till 23rd September. You can apply either online or come to Y Engineering College and we will entertain you in very good aspect. Then the commencement of the classes will be on 26th September. So the last test of the undergrad will be on 25th September. So you have two main entry tests available on 11th September and 25th September. So you should avail this opportunity and should come visit Y Engineering College and electrical department and apply for this engineering program. As for the salient features of University of Wa, you can see that we have secure and well-disciplined environment for the students. We have transport and sports facility, excellent infrastructure. We can also have an ideal platform for the character building through the co-curricular activities. I have shared a lot of sports with you earlier. We have on-job training. We have internship opportunities in various organizations, including Pakistan Ordnance Factories, HIT, AWC. Recently, our four projects, final year design projects, were associated with the AWC. Then we have HMC, and you can have affordable fee structure as well. As for the financial assistance, we have various financial assistance for the students. First of all, we have discussed the free education for the children of the industrial workers. We have need and merit-based scholarships. Then we have BEC student fund scholarship loan fund, and you can also have fee installments. In order to facilitate the students, we have fee installments as well. Then we have 15% scholarship for the PF employees, 10 to 15%. We have the criteria for the wards of the children of the PF employees and other miscellaneous scholarships as well. As for the co-curricular activities, students can participate in various clubs, societies. You have student council. They can recently, electrical engineering department has started the IEEE WEC chapter, which is Sarkashif, you can tell more about it.
Recently, our department has launched our revived IEEE WEC chapter that all the events will be covered by these WEC chapter, and they have the logo of IEEE. It is recognized by IEEE, one of the greatest conference page for the electrical engineering program throughout the world. And we have get membership for all the students. Even we have given services to the students, and university have bear all the dues for providing memberships to the student. Recently we have uh, done two events under this IEEE WEC chapter. One was the successfully conducted Technofest event, which have basically this chapter is for the students, and each and every event is totally handled by the students, which will give them the abilities to groom further for the futures. For example, they know how to handle the finances, they will know how to handle the bills, or they know they will become, they have presentation skills, they are improved, and each and every aspect. IEEE West chapter is for the students only. And after that we have debating club, fine arts club. These all come under the Directorate of Student Affairs. Environmental club, society, social service clubs, mass and media club, outdoor activities club, sports society. We also have blood donation society, in which student can donate blood, and that blood will go to some of the foundation of these needy people. For example, in previously we have donated to Jamila Sultana Foundation blood, which have you can, they have opted some kids of thalassemia, and all blood goes to that society. We also have professional society in one Union College. Especially I have discussed about the IEEE WEC chapter. It is one of the most you can say uh, great opportunity for the students to be a part of IEEE WEC chapter. These are some glimpse of the our co-curricular activities. For example, UWFM radio 101.8. You can anytime listen to your UW radio. This have student jockeys available. Also, faculty are also part of this. There are some academic programs on air after some time. We also have sport facilities. Namaila have discussed earlier that we have football and cricket grounds, we have volleyball courts, we have basketball courts, we have table tennis courts and badminton courts. So for co-curricular and extracurricular activities, students can avail these facilities. These are some of the pictures that students are playing football, and here it is the medical facility for the students. The medical doctors are available for general medical checkup, and for the sake of emergency services, PF hospital is entitled for the students and faculty as well. These are the pictures of the cafeteria of UW. We also give students an opportunity to got job or internship before their graduation. So Department of Electrical Engineering, One Engineering College, and UW in the collaboration organized open house and job fairs every year for the students. There are numerous companies which came to One Engineering College, and they conduct interviews on the spot. Sometimes they give jobs on the spot, and some companies allow students to be a part of them as a internship. These are the very important dates to be remembered. It is very important slides for the students, or for the people who are listening or who will listen uh, the recording. So as far as the prospectus, it is already being sold. Our two entry test already conducted, which was on 13th August and 28th August 2022. And our next advertisement, this to be focused, that our next advertisement is coming on 11th September in various newspapers and on websites as well. Our next entry test for an undergraduate is scheduled on 11th September 2022, and our last test, if seats will be available, this test is subject to the availability. If seats are available, then this test will be conducted on 25th of September 2022. And last but not the least, the final date of the classes, the commencement of the classes, is 26 September 2022. Electrical departments invites you to visit one engineering college, their spacious labs, their classrooms, and etc. I strongly recommend you to meet the faculty for your future career development. Our department will look forward to you anytime. There are some numbers available on the screen. You can, if you have any queries, you can call them. One number is for the deputy director admission, the other one is for chairperson electrical engineering department. If you have any query, we are here for 2 or 3 minutes to answer your comments as well. And if you have query, you can visit us. Ma'am, is there anything else?
I think it is an excellent opportunity for the students. And if you have any questions, we are available here for the next few minutes. And also, we can answer you whenever you want to come to Y Engineering College. We will entertain you. You can visit the labs, classrooms, and if you have any other query, we will answer you that as well. So, if any other students can.
Ma'am, there is one question.
Yes.
Kindly share your views about the future of engineering in Pakistan and abroad.
I think the future of engineering, electrical engineering is quite vast. You can see that in electrical engineering umbrella, you have multiple opportunities. Like one of the comments was that you should take admission in artificial intelligence or other. So for those students, I will say that electrical engineering department is the broader prospect, and in when you enter in it, you have all the opportunities. You can go in communication system, power system, artificial intelligence, data science, anywhere you can go, but the base of the engineering is electrical engineering department, I guess.
Yes. Secondly, one student has asked have to move towards B.Sc artificial intelligence and machine learning rather than doing electrical engineering.
I think that is the specialization field. After you electrical engineering, you can easily do your masters and PhD in artificial intelligence as well.
And we are also offering B.Sc artificial intelligence at our UW campus under the umbrella of NSEC.
If any students have the question, we are waiting in the comment box. You can comment on that. One student has commented that doing engineering is not a big deal, but what to do after engineer is a big deal. Yes. But if you and also kindly choose your field university wisely for your future career. So I will say in that regard, it depends on the student who is studying, and not much if he have good grades, good CGPA, good skills, like we have talked in outcome based education, psychomotor domain skills. He can easily do the he can participate in higher education, can do his job well. We have various good examples of our students who are doing jobs in abroad, and also they are having good jobs as well in Pakistan and abroad, both of them. So you have both the opportunities to do jobs and also the higher education if you want to avail. So in this regard, sir, आपको chat करना चाहें मजीद इसमें?
Some students ask that our program is accredited or not as their queries. So I'm telling them that our program, especially B.Sc Electrical Engineering, is completely accredited at level 2 by Pakistan Engineering Council. Our not even a single batch is passed out without the Pakistan Engineering Council degree. Our each and every program, which is under the Department of Electrical Engineering, we are offering 3 programs. All 3 programs are accredited: B.Sc Electrical Engineering, B.Sc Electrical Engineering Technology, and B.S Software Engineering. All these programs are accredited.
One student has asked about the B.Sc Engineering, Electrical Engineering Technology program. So criteria is 50% for the DA students or the first one, I guess. They can easily take admission in Electrical Engineering department as well.
Again, if you have any queries, you can visit us or you can leave a comment. We will respond you back in a short uh, time. We will try to solve your queries. If you have any problems, you can come to us. Don't rely on the news or fake news. Talk to us directly. We are here to solve your queries. I
I
guess
think that's it.
there are no other questions, ma'am.
Yes,
So thank you very
thank you
much,
all.
everyone.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah.